Welcome to Pete's Garage. Today, I'll be doing a little bit of finishing work on the Suburban. Now that I've got the transmission linkage worked out, I can start putting everything back together. There is one thing I need to do first, and that is work out the VSS wiring. Now, I'm using a Dakota Digital SEN-01-128 VSS sender for my MP241. However, there is not good wiring instructions available anywhere on the internet for how to actually wire this sender into the GM PCM. So finally I broke down and emailed Dakota Digital's tech department, and sure enough, they sent me the correct wiring for how to get it into my computer. So I'm going to do that this morning and then start buttoning up. So let's get to it. All right, so on my last wheeling trip, what is it now? Late April? So February, my amplifier quit working. And I determined that it quit working because it lost power. And so this is my main power wire going to the amplifier. And somehow it stopped conducting electricity. The fuse wasn't blown, it had power at the battery, but by the time it got back to here, it was gone. So obviously the wire's broken somewhere. So I'm going to dig this wire out and figure out where it's broken. Here is the wiring diagram that Dakota Digital sent me. It shows exactly how to wire their sender into the GM PCM. Why they did not include this on the instructions in the first place, I don't know, but I recommended to their tech department that they add it because this would have saved me a whole lot of soul searching. That's a shift. Alright. Well, the transmission seems to shift normally. The speedometer doesn't work for crap. I'm not sure what's up with that. I'll figure it out. It goes. It really goes. Wow. Alright. Yeah, that's a lot more power than a TDI 350. Alright.